Hello guys, I was getting ready to top off my potatoes and thought about I never did do a video. So first up I have, these are red Norland, and I did I think 3 buckets. And it's time to top them all. These are 5-gallon buckets, and I think I did, there's 8 of those, so one of them that had 2 bigger ones, I did 2 in one and 3 in the other 2. Then the next one is this Yukon gold, and these were some small ones. I did 3 each, and those are not growing as well as the red ones. And then last I did these all blue seed potatoes. It's a purple looking potato. And the one in the bucket is doing better than the one that's in the bag. And these were small too. I think I did 3 and 3. And I think I'll do a quick walk through of the garden. There's really not much going on other than some stuff I need to pull. This is Savoy cabbage that's left from the fall. And the final one there, oops, sun, is going to seed. So it's time for me to pull those. That's going to seed too. That's a blue dwarf, blue kale. And I was trying to get seeds for this turnip, but I mean, I'm running out of time as far as to space. This is a purple top turnip. Look how big the root of that thing is. That thing is humongous. But it's going to seed as well. It was 3 of them in there. I was trying to give them a chance, but that's like the biggest monster thing there. Looking there. Over here, we got something else I was trying to let go to seed. This is the, what is this? The purple Kohlrabi. And I had 2 of those in there. Now what's funny about that one is the base of it doesn't look as big. But yeah. These are some collards that are still hanging in here. Which one is this? I think this is Georgia collards here. And this is Premier Kale, I think is this one. It was thicker one. Oh jeez. I'm breaking leaves. I'm gonna have to pick those now. I can't tell what that is. I'll put it down in the description box when I figure out which one it is. But it's taking up almost all of that bed. Those things are huge. This was a white Kohlrabi. I was trying to wait. Like I said, I may not be getting seeds this year because I can't wait on this space. I'm trying to wait on this space. This is, I mean, I can't wait. I need the space. That's what I mean. This is a red Russain kale, and it's pretty big as well too. Just one plant there. And let's see. Planted some carrots. Did these in phases. I think I did like 2 rows right here, and then I went and did some more later on. I think probably about a month later. Then I have some radishes. I think this is French. And then these are the leeks that I put in the fall. A couple of more beds to actually have something going on in them. This is my Brussel that didn't Brussel. So I was just going to save seeds for it. Again, I'm not sure if I'll be able to make it on saving my own seeds because I need them now. I need the space now. And look at there. See how those Brussels never did really form? See that? Thought I was finally going to get some this year. Whatever. And another spot that I'm trying to get seeds. This was rutabaga, or I think it's also called a Swede. Look at the base of that thing. Monster. But again, we may not be getting seeds for it. Got some cleaning up to do down there. Still finishing with that bed. And I think I have, yep. Over here, the same thing is going on. Trying to wait on seeds, but I don't think it's going to happen. This is either Georgia collard or Vates collards. It's one or the other. And then a Copenhagen cabbage. So we shall see what happens as far as me waiting or being able to wait to get seeds. I don't think it's going to happen. All right, guys. See you guys next time. Bye.